Certainly a powerful and emotional gesture made by doctors and nurses to help a family cope with the grief of having to say goodbye. As a Grand Prairie couple was losing their battle against COVID-19, a dramatic moment in a hospital room gave some comfort to their grieving children. Here's CBS 11's JD Miles.
Paul and Rose Blackwell devoted their lives to children, whether it was raising 5 of their own or at the Grand Prairie schools where he worked as a middle school football coach and she worked as a bilingual instructor.
She loved her students.
Christopher Blackwell is Paul's son and Rose's stepson. He says they both contracted COVID-19 and checked into a Fort Worth hospital in early December.
And then it just very quickly went downhill.
He says both soon needed ventilators to breathe. It surprised the families of students like Michael Torres, who played on Coach Blackwell's football team.
It's shocking because Coach, the last time I talked to him was at the beginning of December. He was there like a father figure to Michael.
Last week, the couple's family was told the 61-year-old father and 65-year-old mother would not survive. A decision was made to discontinue life support. The medical staff brought the couple's beds into the same room side by side and interlocked their hands, while Christopher and other family members watched online.
2 of my other brothers were actually in the room there at the hospital, and they wheeled my stepmother there in the room with my father, and at the same time removed them both from the ventilator, and they had them holding hands, and they were both gone within a couple of minutes. I've never seen anything like that before. It's hard to even put into words seeing that.
Students have been offered counseling at the 2 schools where the teachers were loved and respected. We are told they were working up until they became sick, but it's unknown how they contracted the virus. The couple had postponed family gatherings over the summer out of concern for the health of their children and grandchildren, who are at peace despite the heartbreaking outcome.
Oh, they said till death do us part, and that's how that went.
In Grand Prairie, JD Miles, CBS 11 News.